Last week when I was talking about being more human, I forgot about one of the most human aspects of Canva, which is using Canva to draw. If we go and look at the post that I made, where you'll find it is under Tools, and that's where Canva Draw is. You can use it to make shapes, to draw lines, and to actually just draw freehand. So let's get this pen, and if I wanted to, I could just use it to make a smiley face. As you can see, I'm not an artist. So you can change the colors of your marker. There are different types of pens. So there's just pen, which is thinner, marker pen, which is thicker, and there are highlighter pens. And yeah, you can use it for all sorts of things. If you can draw better than I can, then you can probably do a great job. And if you have a stylus and a touch screen, you could probably even write things in it. And yeah, that would definitely be more human. In the spirit of exploration, let's try and make something. So let's go to Canva homepage. Let's open some sort of, I don't know, let's try Instagram Reel. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. If you are an author and would like to talk to other authors, come join the Facebook group. Link is in the description. And if you'd like some free stuff, sign up for the newsletter. One of the things that I thought you could use this to do is to upload a picture of a page of your book. This is a page from How Can I Resist You? It's not quite the right dimensions, so let's put it in as it is and turn the background to black so that it's less glaring. Oh, or brown. There you go. Because when you are on TikTok and Instagram, actually, there's stuff at the bottom here, so it's probably a good idea to have important things to be up a little bit. And then if you can't read it at the moment because it's too small, but let's make it bigger. And then we'll get the tools and the highlighter pen. Yellow. Okay, yellow will do. So we can use the highlighter pen to highlight things. Or you can use the pen tool to just go, ooh. Or I don't know, draw rude things, no margins, whatever you want to do. You can change the size and the transparency of your tools. So, whoa, that's a much bigger circle. Let's undo that. So that might be quite a nice way to make static images to share on social media as well. Just a quick one today. I hope you found that useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I will see you in the next video.